Go 2.
Nice.
Good job, Roland.
Anything to do with me after the divorce, and I frankly didn't want anything to do with him.
You know what's so crazy about that, bro? Is like if you never knew that story, you think you're. Oh, that sucks, dude. I hate that. Whoa, he killed that.
Go! Alex, go! Davis, on three! That boy!
That was ripped, bro.
Let's get it!
That's a sack. To be honest,
Against them.
that sucks, dude. Strike. Oh! Nice pitch, Chino.
Go.
Let's go, Matt. Hey, good job, defense. He's got a weird pitching stroke. Good, John.
Get there, John.
Go.
Get there, baby.
Yeah, John. Good play, short. We didn't make no comments.
We're rooting for...
Oh, they knew that. Go, John. Oh, my bad, John. You were right. Thought that was dropping.
Hey, let's go, Brandon.
That's why you work at Blue Origin, John, and I'm a stay-at-home father.
Yeah, you got the best job.
Can you come get me? It's okay. You'll correct it. Here.
You're like, let's go, Bars.
Yeah!
Go.
Get it! Roll in!
I say low. Yeah. Run.
Man, you didn't even try to catch it.
Shallow.
Good job, Sean.
That's a hit. Yeah. That counts a little slap.
Yeah, Timmy.
Me?
Okay.
Heck yeah, dude.
Yeah, buddy. Look it up.
Yeah, Timmy.
It was fast for a bit.
Yeah.
Go, Chris. Oh, he's off. Oh, Blue. Doesn't hook at all. Here you go, defense. 1 or 2.
There you go. There you go. On two. Good.
Good hit, bro. That's dropping.
Yes.
Good play, Shiloh.
There you go.
2, go 2. Good job, Shiloh. Great play, Fisher.
High school nowadays, that's right.
Yep. Good play, B. Good job, runner.
Colton and Nardi.
COVID rules, man.
Run it.
COVID rules.
Yeah, nothing else. But,
Good job, Parsons. Yeah.
How the hell they structured the playoffs like that?
Yeah, that's brutal. Let's go, Stone. Pass to deep center.
Let's go, Bruce.
Go, Bruce. Chris, get over here.
Hey, here we go, Chino.
Wheels. That's a ball. Good job, Chino. Let's go, Matt.
Let's do this.
Go, Matt. Get here. Get here, Matt. Oh, he dropped it. Good job, Chino. Way to get back. Good, Matt. Good base running. Good base running, fellas. Hey, we'll take it. You got him. RBI.
Run it out, John.
Yeah, get there, John.
John, you're through the hole.
Oh, interference! Interference! Interference!
What?
Good job, guys. Good job.
Only if you like it.
Ballsy.
If he's like in the way.
Chino, good job. Yeah, agreed. Go, Ryan. Stay here. Okay. Good job, Ryan. We needed it. Back, Ryan. We're back.
I did it again, bro. You're getting wet.
First pitch swinging. Get that, Timmy. Timmy, way to take over. You're pastor now. You're the new pastor. You're up. You're up. You're up. Wow, that's really smart. He was running. Chino, good job. Chris, good call. Go two. He's gone. He touched him. Oh.
He slowed down and couldn't stop.
Oh, I see. Yeah, defense. Let's go. Good job. It's Frankson. Take it. No, we ain't gonna take it.
Run hard. Run hard. Four. Yeah, buddy. Go.
Yeah, buddy.
Atta boy, baby.
I would, but
Yeah, dude.
Are you watching?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Love it.
Good job, 2, 3.
American hero.
You're here.
Safe. Oh, is he gonna go home? He's gonna go home.
Yeah, Timmy!
Yahoo! Love it.
Oh. Good, Chino. Go, Matt. It's okay, baby. Go, Matt. Get here.
Run it. You run it.
Go.
Yeah, I did. I hit the bag.
Good job. Cannon! Yes, you're there, Cannon! Stay here. Woo! We saved. Cannon! Let's go, Jonah!
You owe assholes. Hey, good 2 out rally.
Good job, Chino. Go, 2 out. Go.
John, that is a perfect
Go, Matt. Go.
Go!
John, well done.
Get on.
Yes! Good job, John!
Run, Ryan.
Yeah.
Ryan! Yeah, Ryan, how you feel?
Whoa, shoot.
Yeah, Ryan! Let's go!
How you feel, buddy?
Let's go, Ryan.
Stone who?
Sandy, you are on fire right now. There's flames. The Holy Spirit is in you. All confidence, Brandon. Yes, Brandon. Oh, you're getting under it. That's dropping, Brandy. That's dropping.
Oh, good grab there, left.
Huh? Ready? I'm ready. Yeah.
Yeah, that'll do.
Go, Sean, go! Sean, turn to go!
Why? We're going out with Chris's out.
How many outs that vibes?
1 out.
Run it, run it, run it, run it. Stay. There you go, Bruce.
So just
I didn't really know that. I mean, somebody told me to turn right.
yeah, that's why.
Did I go left a little bit? A little bit. Okay.
That's why I say get back to back, back to back.
Run out, man, run out.
Good play, pitch. It's okay. You got some, huh?
Go, 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 go. Get two. Pick up down, pick up down.
Hey, pick up three, pick up three.
There. Got short and then just dead center.
Don't worry about running.
Pivot.
That's it, Kyle.
Hustle. Get two. Up. On it. There. Run. Take a look. Go.
Good job, Jonah.
Am I? Bro, I feel uncoordinated tonight for some reason. It's my allergy pill, dude.
Good try, baby.
No matter how hard I try, I'm just falling apart.
Beat it out.
Oh, what the fudge. Right! Nipping at your nose.
Go three.
Brian, you're okay. You're okay.
Good job. Brandon.
Ooh.
Hey, you're going all the way. You're going all the way, Shiloh.
All the way means all the way.
buddy. Why not? Love it. Let's go.
Very well.
There it is, Shiloh.
Hey, dude. Some of those are dropping.
I'm in a tie-dye psychosis, dude.
Are you Shiloh's dad? Oh, okay. I just wanted to make sure. I saw you guys at the movie theater yesterday, or Friday. Yeah. I'm just going through all the files. I caught that catch, Parsons.